Ways to make money online. Try print on demand. Print on demand is another popular way to earn money online. Many individuals have adopted this business model because it has lower overhead than other businesses. Print on demand is similar to drop shipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customers yourself. There are two slight differences, though. First, you can make your own custom products, which is great for brand recognition. Second, you can choose from specific items rather than a vast range of categories. Most print-on-demand companies offer products that are easy to print on, like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. Start a YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche, so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. The key to earning money on YouTube is creating content people want to watch. Enticing headlines and keyword-optimized descriptions can draw viewers to your videos. Once you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark, you become eligible to earn advertising revenue through running ads on your content. Create an online course. Selling courses is one of top strategies for earning money online. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating online courses. These courses can be sold on platforms like Udemy or, if you already have a dedicated audience, through your own website. Some entrepreneurs are making as much as $5,000 per month from online courses. Publish in a book. It's never been easier to publish in a book. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. You can choose to hire a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer to design the cover, and a manuscript editor to eliminate errors from the content when researching the topic. Focus on keywords based on popular searches on Amazon to generate sales for your ebook. Focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, etc. is often a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following and big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. For those looking to make money online fast, this method can be a rewarding venture. You can start a blog on various platforms, such as Shopify or WordPress. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, data entry specialist, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you to apply them. There's a never-ending list of job platforms for each type of freelancer too. For example, freelance writers can apply for jobs on specific online writing job boards, but also on general freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. To make money online as a freelancer, you need to start by building out a strong portfolio. That may mean doing free work for some reputable mid-tier brands to start. Once you create a strong portfolio, you can reach out to potential big clients to earn more money online. Remember, freelancing is a numbers game. The more applications you fill out and submit, the more likely you'll be to get a response back.